Sexual transmitted disease, STD, otherwise called sexual transmitted demon. Now, I want you to understand that this is a wedge. Sexual transmitted demons was created as a bioweapon. It's a sexual war that was placed as a wedge between man and woman to reduce birth rate, to destroy and separate the homes, because in the first instance, separation is always the main game. When someone is single, they give more work hours at the workplace. They operate as how the system has created the 9 to 5 created by the assembly line owner Henry Ford. Now, as we have established, if you are over here and you're a true virgin, all diseases is caused by parasites. So these are just parasite eggs in between us that created these diseases and blame on other disease causing agent, which we call virus, bacteria, fungus, protozoa, etc., chlamydia. Now, sex was always created for reproduction, the main source, and on the sideline, pleasure, even though it's now, over here as an herbalist, sex is a beautiful thing. Without sex, none of us would exist. Therefore, we have to understand that the interface is mainly for separation and for us to be feared of each other, to have the real sex, which you would call raw or bareback. Now, sexual transmitted demons is also another flip side to it, where condom cannot prevent sexual transmitted disease, because sexual transmitted demons is more of an energetic feel, where if someone interferes with someone demon, condom wouldn't stop it, because how a person live their lives and how a person watch the longest, eat the longest, think the longest, and be around the longest, and even environmental where you are the longest will become the strongest. Therefore, each individual have to take the responsibility of knowing who they swap their energy with. Now, if we dive deeper to say that the bone marrow is what makes sperms, and the eggs and the womb of a woman is a portal, we would understand that whomever we exchange energy with is very, very important. Now let we do this wisely and don't driven by fear. Let we start exchange our gods and goddesses instead of demons sexually. Now let's have real sex with real people, with who we want to have it with, because sex is a beautiful thing and we're here to reproduce, to continue the continuity of life, because we're living in a world without end. Put that one on your pen. Yeah, man, if you're seeking change and you're looking for a transformation by one book read, Earth Book 1, check out my new book on Amazon, locally here in Jamaica, $5,000, and it's also on the website.